Tozalo ugogo nomkhulisalo wasendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mawufuna kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha. We are talking luck, success. It's a decision. Everyone that is successful today, number one locksmith, telling you today, ukuthi, it's because of the decision that each and every individual took. Wealth is isinqumo. It's a decision. It's not luck. It's not luck. It's not opportunities. It's not inheritance. It's not. It's not. It's totally not luck. It's a decision. Somebody sat down and said to themselves, I want to be successful. I want to make it in life. I want to pass this course. I want to graduate. I want to get my grade 12. I want to get this driver's license, because if I have this driver's license, I'm going to get myself a PDP. I'm going to get myself a advanced driving. Then I'm going to work as a VIP protection, or I'm going to work whatever. It's a decision. We tend to say, wow, he's very lucky. That one is very fortunate. That one, he's just a lucky person. Everything he touches, it moves and everything. No. Are you calling to that? You can all go argue with your friends. Are you calling to that? It is a decision that one sit down and take to say, I want to be wealthy. Khathele ukuhlupheka. I'm tired. Lalela, khathele ukuhlupheka. Now I want to be wealthy. Now I want to make it. I'm just tired, Njena. I cannot continue staying at home. I cannot continue depending on him. Continue depending on her. I want to be independent. I want to make it in life. I want to be successful. Yes, you do have people who think very low of themselves. It's a matter of what you want to do. I'm to respond. What kind of a job? If I can just work, my sleep is koropo njena engasichuna. So grand, yabo. No mayini. You're going to get no mayini, and you're going to give up at the end of the day. But there's this other mindset that says, I want to be successful. I want the best. I want the best. There are artists that I know that I cannot mention names, whereby I myself said, don't you think this is a great opportunity for you? And a person will say, no, Gogo, if I take this role, it's going to dent me in the future. It's going to stop me from on my journey to be here. To be here. If a celebrity tells you that, and you realize, I remember this young lady. I met her. She was in the industry already, and I said to her, you are not too much on screen. You are known, but I don't find you in every production that one can think of. And then she answered me, and she said, Gogo, it's because too much of productions, they won't make me successful. They'll make me famous. Sorry, Gogo, too much roles, they won't make me wealthy. They'll make me famous. Yeah, those were her words. Ogote, she wants to be wealthy. She wants to be successful. And she takes roles or on productions that sets her apart. So each and every role that she takes, she says, it must challenge me. And if that role challenges me, I know, Gogo Oguti, I'm going to reach where I want to reach. Where is she today? She's there. Mina, I see her as being there. But there's one thing that is interesting about successful people. They don't see themselves so they're successful. But those who are getting a masheleni and everything, they always feel ukuthi they've made it in life. They are successful. They want to be worshipped. They want to be respected. And they don't deserve all of that. But those that we see it in, not those that they see themselves, but those that it in we see, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. And I'm not talking about somebody that you don't know. You know the lady I'm talking about. Ukuthi, she whenever, whatever role that she gets, she nails it. Whether it's romance, whether it's crying, whether it's feeling just sad, whether it's a drug addict on that thing, she makes sure ukuthi she nails it. And she's married. Then I ask her ukuthi, how do you choose your romance kind of scenes because you are married? And she said, if I first, before I take any deal, I sit down with a producer to say A, B, C, D, E is not going to happen. However, Gogo, I'm lucky, or rather, however, I always come up with a solution. So it's not a matter of me, I don't like these scenes, and I don't come up with a solution. Ati Gogo, mina come, if you can see, and then she showed me something that was on Showmax. Uguti, look at this scene. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. The romantic moment that was on that scene, looking at that guy on the eyes, that guy holding her face and everything, you can swear ukuthi hayi ziyokhala khona kuzokwenzeka lapha. She's there. She's there. She's successful. Why? Because of a decision. And if you understand, or rather, if you have told yourself, ukuthi, where do you want to see yourself? You know what is your wealth. Does it worth it to take this role? Does it worth it to take this job? Does it worth it to resign? Does it worth it to start this other business? Now, you will know, meaning you know your boundaries. You know how far you can bite and chew and swallow and digest. Bite, chew, swallow, and digest. You'll know these four things, ukuthi, how important they are. Then trust me, when it comes to understanding ukuthi, how does umuthi works, you won't find it difficult. Because you understand ukuthi, muti is there to get rid of any external forces, any negative external forces that may be on my way. Muti must deal with that. Because that is not your skill. That is not your profession. Your profession is to make sure ukuthi, you comply in this business. You meet the requirements in this job description. Whatever that you do, you meet what it takes. You know ukuthi, when I'm saying there's a role that you need to play as an individual. After that role that you have played as an individual, the rest, lalela, the rest, call. The rest given. Unche, you're sorted. You don't have stress. You there's nothing that is going to make you feel ukuthi ngoba situation is so the no, you know people who are not sure of what do they want to achieve. They always take shortcuts, and they even take shortcuts when it comes to motive. So you give umuntu umuti that you trust to say, this muti must be used A, B, C, D, E. Right. Let's say umuti, it's a one that didn't work or It doesn't work. It does happen. It does happen. Let's talk about that. Let me not say a person is not doing what it takes, is not respecting Muti. The person was skipping the rituals, whatever. The person has done everything. So the person can do everything from A up to Z on what you told them. But here's the twist. Not having a skill to go back to your healer, to sit down with them the same way as you did when you went to fetch that Muti. To say, I came to you for A, B, C, D, E. You gave me something to use like this, like this, like this. I've used it exactly like that. I want to find out what could be a problem for me not to achieve what I want to achieve with what you gave me. Trust me, there's always plan B, C, D, E. But no, we don't do that. We don't do that. And that's when you realize, Oguti, was this person expecting you to give them Muti that will give them qualifications? Muti that will make them to comply? Muti that will make them not to do mistakes that they did? Muti that will make the impossibles to be possible for him because of they've paid for that Muti. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. So, success, impumelelo, is nqumo. Success, it's a choice. It's a decision. It's what you decide. And using Muti, it's a decision. Like being successful, there are terms and conditions of being successful. There are terms and conditions of using Umuti. There are terms and conditions of making sure Umuti works for you. There are terms and conditions in you that will allow you or will align you with the relevant person that is going to assist you at the end of the day. Guys, I'm not bored for me to travel this much. If you can ask me if ever, do I love traveling? I'll say yes, I do. I love traveling. But I love traveling with a purpose. Meaning, I think I've passed that stage of just wanting to take a drive. I do sometimes once in a while with my bike, but I think I'm not no longer that kind of a person, because I'm very sensitive in going through accidents, seeing this, seeing that, and everything. So I avoid anything that is a mode of transport. If it was according to me, I was going to walk to wherever where I want to, or I was going to stay home. But because I need to travel for me to get what I want, for me to be successful, because I also took a decision, Uguti, I want to be a successful healer. It's a decision that I took. So for me to be a successful healer, I need to make sure, Uguti, the people that I'm assisting are happy. The people that I'm healing are healed. The people that I'm rescuing from their enemies are rescued. That is my fundamental as a traditional healer. Then anything else, it comes. Because if I didn't want that, I was going to take your money, and instead of traveling to India as I've promised you, I'll take your money and I'll go with my family to Dubai. Instead of me buying this Muti, I won't buy this expensive Muti that you've paid for. I'm going to buy the cheapest because I want to live a soft life. So I don't want to be seen, Mina, as a healer with a good life and everything, and while knowing very well, Oguti, I'm not doing well. And I know of many of healers who are very successful, who are living a very posh life, and they are doing an excellent work. They are there. They're doing an excellent work. So I'm closing this saying, Oguti, success is a decision. It's not luck. Tozan.